Parents often ask, what can I do at home to support my child? At this early stage, children will naturally use pictures as clues to decipher what they are reading. It is important to allow them to do this, so please don't cover them up. It is a significant step in their reading journey. It's also normal for children to make guesses when reading. This is not a mistake, it's how they test their understanding and build confidence, so please encourage them to do this. Similarly, many children memorize sentences and recite them by heart. This too is a positive step, as it develops fluency and rhythm and is not at all something to be concerned about. Above all, remember reading at home should be a joyful experience. There are also fantastic resources you can use at home to support reading. All lower school classes have an Oxford OWL account, and our Key Stage 2 students are able to use a platform called Sora. These both provide access to engaging, age-appropriate reading material. Additionally, all our early years and Key Stage 1 students have Reading Eggs accounts. This program has a variety of activities that help your children develop their decoding skills. We also have a Portuguese platform in Forms 1 and 2 called Ensinar e Aprender Português, which helps children with their Portuguese literacy skills. Equally as important is how you share books together. Choose a quiet time to read together, make it enjoyable, and let your child explore. Start by looking at the cover, then talk about the pictures. Tell the story together. These shared experiences are invaluable in building a love of reading. Alongside developing reading skills, you can also help your child begin their journey as a writer. Encourage mark making and drawing, as these activities strengthen hand muscles and build control. Both essential foundations for writing provide regular opportunities for writing in everyday life, such as making shopping lists, writing birthday cards, or labeling drawings. Let your child see you writing, whether it's notes, a message, or a list. It shows them that writing has a real purpose. Always praise their effort and ideas, not just their spelling or handwriting, so that writing feels enjoyable and rewarding. You can also encourage storytelling aloud. Ask your child to describe a picture, retell a favorite story, or make up one of their own. Keep writing light, fun, and positive. Confidence grows fastest when children enjoy what they're doing.